On 15th March 2025, two scientists from Italy revealed at a conference some secrets of the Giza pyramids that had been buried for thousands of years beneath the pyramids. They detected a vast network of tube-like shafts under the pyramids that lead to a chamber as big as 2 football fields. This astonishing claim took the internet by storm. People, who had always considered the pyramids as tombs of pharaohs, were shocked by this complex network of shafts extending 2 kilometers below the surface, hinting at an entirely new purpose for the pyramids. But how much truth is there in these claims? Were the pyramids really just ancient Egyptian tombs, or was there a purpose far beyond our imagination? Welcome once again to a video by Next View. In the silent sands of the Sahara Desert lies a place where time stands still. 3 giant stone mountains have been standing quietly for thousands of years. Neither storms nor the fast pace of time can shake them. The famous pyramids of Giza, Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure stand silently, still hiding some of human history's greatest secrets. Think about it. The stones used to build them, each weighing as much as a bulldozer or a fully loaded 20-foot cargo container, and a single pyramid is made from 2.3 million such stones, without any help from cranes. The Giza pyramids are not only the pride of Egypt, but a 4,500-year-old puzzle that scientists, archaeologists, and historians are still trying to solve. Discoveries made so far inside the pyramids show that they were indeed tombs of ancient Egyptian pharaohs. But were they just tombs? That question remains unanswered. The Giza Plateau has 3 major pyramids. The largest, Khufu, or the Great Pyramid of Giza, the second, Khafre, and the third, Menkaure. But why are they believed to be tombs of Egyptian kings? Because burial chambers have been found inside all 3. These are rooms where someone is buried. In the burial chambers of Khufu and Khafre, sarcophagi were found, but no mummies were inside. So why do we believe there were mummies once? We get a clue from the smallest pyramid. In 1837, during an expedition, a mummy was actually found in its burial chamber. But with a twist. This sarcophagus containing the mummy was being shipped to Britain for further research, but the ship sank, and Menkaure's sarcophagus is still lost somewhere in the depths of the sea. That's why archaeologists assume that the other sarcophagi also once contained mummies, possibly taken by tomb robbers. But if these pyramids were only tombs, then why so many secrets inside them? What was the need to leave behind so many mysteries? Some say this was the work of beings from space. Others believe the pyramids were part of an ancient energy grid spread across the world. Not only their size, but the alignment of the 3 pyramids is also a mystery. Despite being thousands of years old, the Giza pyramids are aligned perfectly to the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. This alignment is so precise that even today's GPS systems would be amazed. Was this just a coincidence, or the result of secret knowledge or advanced civilization? For the past 150 years, modern science has been puzzled only by the structure of the pyramids above ground. But the real secret may be hidden below. On 15th March 2025, 2 scientists from France and Italy claimed that with the help of radar, they discovered a massive complex structure under the pyramids. Using a technology called synthetic aperture radar, or SAR, they detected a 2-kilometer-long underground structure beneath the Khafre pyramid, which could extend under all 3 pyramids. They claim there are 8 shafts under the Khafre pyramid, going 650 meters deep, with spiral staircases built around each one. And most astonishingly, under these shafts are two large chambers, each as big as two football fields. Where once it was believed that the pyramids were just tombs of pharaohs, these scientists' claims have sparked a new debate in the world of history. Was the true purpose of the pyramids something else entirely? In 1905, the famous inventor Nikola Tesla said that the pyramids were made to harness the Earth's internal energy, and he worked on wireless energy transmission inspired by this theory. But mysteriously, Tesla died before completing the project. Now, this new so-called discovery gives Tesla's theory another chance to rise again. But here comes the question. If such a discovery's been made, where's the evidence? How did they detect underground structures with just a radar, especially one deployed on a satellite 400 kilometers above the Earth? Let's understand in simple words. A normal radar sends signals toward the ground that bounce back from various objects. Signals returning quickly mean they hit something high. Slower returns mean the ground was deeper. That's how the shape and depth of different objects is estimated. But the problem is these signals can't penetrate hard materials like stone and only go a few feet underground. So how did they detect structures 2 kilometers below? Scientists Corrado Malanga and Filippo Biondi say they use the Earth's natural vibrations as signals, which SAR captured. The Earth constantly creates subtle vibrations. From strong winds, traffic in cities, and in Cairo's case, the flow of the Nile River. These are called micro-movements, and they generate unique signals as they pass through different layers of the Earth. Just like a hollow drum sounds different than a filled one, cavities underground reflect vibrations differently. They captured many images of the pyramids at different times using the SAR satellite and analyzed the vibrations with computer software, which estimated the shapes and depths beneath the surface. This created a 3D model, suggesting 8 shafts and 2 large hollow chambers under the pyramid. But this is just an estimate. To know the truth, excavation is needed. Corrado Malanga and Filippo Biondi have requested permission to excavate beneath the pyramids, but the Egyptian government has refused. The scientific community has rejected their claim, calling it fake. Famous Egyptian archaeologist Zahi Hawass also said these claims were made just for fame and lack any truth. Scientists suggest that if this technology can reveal what's below the pyramids, why not first test it in a place where we already know what lies underground? That would make the technology credible. There's no doubt that the Giza pyramids have left humanity in awe for thousands of years. Whenever we try to solve one mystery, another challenge arises. From their geometric shapes to perfect north alignment, the Giza pyramids are full of mysteries. For example, the geographic coordinate of the Great Pyramid of Giza is 29.9792458 degrees north, and astonishingly, the speed of light is 299,792,458 meters per second, exactly the same number. How can this be just a coincidence? Not only that, but mathematical references to the golden ratio have also been found in the shape of the pyramid. For example, each side of the pyramid's base is 230.4 meters long. Half of that is 115.2 meters. The slope height is 186.4 meters. If we divide 186.4 by 115.2, the result is 1.618, the golden ratio. If you check this number on Google, you'll see it matches the value of phi, which appears repeatedly in nature, in flower petals, seashells, even human faces. The concept of the golden ratio was first defined by Greek mathematician Euclid 2,300 years ago, then called the divine proportion. Later it was widely used in art, nature, and architecture. So was using the golden ratio 4,500 years ago just a coincidence? If this underground structure discovery by the Italian scientists also turns out to be true, it would mean that our entire understanding of the pyramids has been wrong all along. Maybe the ones who built these stone mountains above the ground also hid many secrets beneath the earth. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments section. Hopefully you will like and share this video by next view. See you in the next amazing video.